Hello guys, welcome to Ranjit's Awesome Vlogs. In my some last videos, I showed you about the Lego minifigures. Today I'm gonna show you about the Lego set. So then let me show you the Lego set. So this is the Lego set. Its roof can get up and down. That's all cool. Then the doors over here can turn, but this door can't, the middle one. And then you have many things, and this door can turn. It also has a mask. The turns. Then there are some more features like this. It can get closed and open. Then we have this. There's a spider web, and inside that there's a kind of ruby thing. So there are some features on the back also. Then here are things. There are some things over here. This can turn, same as this. Then this can happen, and this. So this is my Lego set, Lego Ninjago set. I will get more Lego sets on my birthday, like a dragon and all that. So subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. Bye.